Hello and welcome back to Blue Gypsy Homestead. My name is Louie. Today I wanted to take a few minutes to introduce the Wonder Twins. Snoopy and Meg are both rescues that I adopted from the Miniature Pinschers in Gatineau, Quebec, Canada. They are actually number 2 and 3 that I've been matched up with. Number 1 was a dog I renamed Dobby. He was found in a dumpster in Toronto. He was a senior and sickly pup who spent his life as a stud. When he was too old to work, they threw him away like trash. I fell in love with him instantly, but he was only with me for about 8 months before he died of heart failure. It broke my heart because I wanted so badly to give him a few years of happiness. After some time grieving, I knew I needed company, so I adopted Meg and then Snoopy. I adore these two boneheads. Let me emphasize I don't own them. Instead, I am their kahu. In Hawaiian, kahu translates to guardian, protector, or caretaker. It's an honor and privilege to care for them and protect them. In turn, they protect me. Don't let their small size fool you. They will attack you if they see that you're trying to harm me, or even if they think it. For the first 3 weeks after Snoopy arrived, he would bully Meg, but then one day she had enough and she put him in his place. Meg is definitely the alpha dog, but I am still the overall alpha. It was an epic fight, and I had to rescue Snoopy. We spend as much time as possible outside. When I'm working in the garden, Meg likes to come out and try and help. When she was younger, she was able to corral rabbits, chase them down. She's not as fast anymore, but Meg loves to dig in the garden and munch on kale and cherry tomatoes. Occasionally, she'll eat beans right off the plant. Snoopy, on the other hand, is the hunter. He's caught a couple of mice in the house and very nearly brought me a rabbit once. Min pins are bred to go after rats in their dens. They can get into the smallest places, and when they get to the rat usually loses. Snoopy lost his first human to cancer, so it took him a while to accept me. But now, he's really affectionate. I love to watch them walk. Their little backsides seem to almost sway to the music only they can hear. They've also eliminated the need for a doorbell, since their bionic-like hearing knows when somebody's coming up the driveway. Understand, I have a 500-foot driveway. They can hear them when they turn in. Rescuing a dog is one of the most incredible experiences I've ever had. In my case, the Wonder Twins have become very, very affectionate. They truly saved my life, and I adore them. I am a huge supporter of Min Pinschers. So, if you're looking to bring a small dog into your house, please contact them at the address you'll see at the end of this video. And by the way, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, be well.